The natural world is filled with incredible animals that live in very different environments, from flowing rivers and remote islands to towering mountains. These places may seem quiet and untouched, but they are actually full of life. Rivers support a wide variety of creatures such as fish, turtles, otters, and crocodiles that depend on clean water and healthy ecosystems. Islands, often separated from the mainland. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far. But their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have one or two horns on their noses. A bull is an intact, not castrated, adult male of the species Bostaurus, domestic cattle. Castrated males are called steers, heavier and more muscular than cows or steers. Some breeds can weigh over 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. Bulls are colorblind to red. It's the movement of the matador's cape in bullfighting that triggers a reaction. Lionesses are the females of the species. Panthera leo, found mainly in Africa, and a small population in India, Asiatic lions. Lionesses do most of the hunting for the pride. They are strategic, cooperative hunters and often work in teams to bring down prey. Lionesses form the core of the pride, a group of lions that usually includes related females and a few adult males.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. They need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy.
Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a four-chambered stomach. Black bears are the most widespread bear species on the continent. Black bears rarely attack humans unless provoked or protecting cubs. Generally not endangered, but habitat loss and human-bear conflicts pose threats. Black bears usually live alone, except mothers with cubs. They hibernate in dens during the winter, slowing their metabolism to survive without food. Black bears are the most widespread bear species on the continent. Gorillas are part of the great ape family, along with humans, chimpanzees, and orangutans. Gorillas use tools, show emotions, and can learn sign language. For example, Coco, the gorilla. Gorillas mostly eat leaves, fruit. Occasionally, they may eat ants or termites.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Wolves are protected in many places, but still face threats from habitat loss and human conflict. Wolves play a key role in ecosystems by controlling prey populations and maintaining balance. Some subspecies, like the Mexican gray wolf and red wolf, are critically endangered. Wolves are carnivores, mainly eating large animals like deer, Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 150-300 kilograms, 330-660 pounds, while Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears. Alligators can grow up to 11-15 feet, 3.4-4.6 meter, and weigh over 1,000 pounds, 450 kilogram. Their bite force is around 2,000, 125 size, strong enough to crush bones. Alligators are ectothermic, cold-blooded, and rely on the sun to regulate body temperature. In cold weather, they enter brumation, a hibernation-like state. Or have bodies designed to move easily through water. For example, otters use their webbed feet to glide quickly, while turtles have hard shells that protect them from predators.